Herons are long-legged, elegant wading birds often found near bodies of water. They are part of the Ardeidae family, with over 60 species spread across the world. The graceful flight of a heron is a sight to behold. They have a unique way of flying, known as soaring or gliding, where they flap their wings less and use wind currents for prolonged periods. This energy-efficient method allows them to travel great distances without tiring easily. In the water, herons are skilled hunters. They have long, sharp bills to spear their prey, usually fish, and necks that can stretch up to 3 feet long to snatch food from far away. Their binocular vision helps them spot prey even when standing still. Herons' diet primarily consists of fish, but they also eat amphibians, small reptiles, and insects. They have a peculiar feeding technique called standing still, where they stand motionless for long periods, waiting for prey to come close enough. Once spotted, they strike with lightning speed. Herons build their nests in colonies, usually in trees or reeds near water. The females lay 3 to 5 eggs, which both parents incubate for about a month. The young herons, called chicks, are born helpless and rely on their parents for food and protection. Herons play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. They help control fish populations and provide food for other predators like owls and crows. They also serve as indicators of the health of wetland habitats, which are crucial for many species. Did you know that some herons migrate thousands of miles each year? The great blue heron, for example, travels as far north as Alaska and as far south as Central America. These migrations are guided by the changing seasons and the availability of food. Herons are truly fascinating creatures, with their elegant appearances, unique hunting techniques, and migratory habits. Next time you see one, take a moment to appreciate its beauty and the important role it plays in our ecosystem.